Hi, dear children. In the last chapter, we learned about the principles and processes in the field of biotechnology. In this chapter, we are going to learn how biotechnology is applied in different fields so as to obtain a human welfare. We are going to learn about how it is useful in the field of agriculture, the field of medicine, how it helps us to diagnose a particular disease at an early stage, and many more. So let's begin with the chapter Biotechnology and its application. Biotechnology, the different fields where it is applied is biopharmaceuticals, therapeutics, diagnostics, in developing genetically modified crops, processed food, bioremedication, waste treatment, and also in energy production. So, all these are the fields where biotechnology is applied these days. There are three critical research areas of biotechnology. The first area of research is to provide a best catalyst, and that catalyst can be in the form of an improved organism. It can be a microbe or a pure enzyme. So, providing the best catalyst in the form of either an improved organism, which is usually a microbe or an enzyme. The second area of research is creating an optimal condition through engineering for the catalyst to act. Not only the catalyst need to be developed, in addition to it, an atmosphere or a condition which has been engineered for the catalyst to act. And third is the downstreaming processing technologies to purify the protein or the organic compound. So these are the three critical areas of research of biotechnology. The first one is creating or providing a catalyst in the form of an improved organism. That organism is modified, and that modified organism can be a microbe or it can be a pure enzyme, and providing conditions which is engineered or which is created for that particular catalyst to work. And third is downstreaming process in order to obtain the product in its purified form. First, let us learn about the application of biotechnology in the field of agriculture. The population explosion has pressured to increase the food production, and food production can be increased by three ways. One is agrochemical based agriculture, second is organic agriculture, and third is genetically engineered crop based agriculture. So these are the three options by which food can be increased. And genetically modified organisms are the plants, bacteria, fungi, and animals whose genes are altered by manipulation. We know GMOs are plants, it's any organism like plants, bacteria, fungi, and animals whose gene has been altered by manipulation, deliberate manipulation. Integrating agriculture with biotechnology provides many privileges, provides many advantages. What are the advantages of genetically modified plants? It makes the crops more tolerant to abiotic stresses like cold, drought, salt, heat. So they are made resistant to abiotic stresses. They are made pest resistant, and thus when the plants are made pest resistant, the use of chemical pesticides is reduced. It helps to reduce the post harvest losses. It increases the efficiency of mineral usage by the plants so that it prevents early exhaustion of soil fertility. That means that if a plant has absorbed a nutrient, a mineral, and if that mineral has not been completely utilized inside the plant, what happens? Again and again, the plant will absorb more and more nutrients, and the soil becomes depleted or exhausted of that particular nutrient. Genetically modified plants have been developed in such a way that they increase the efficiency of the minerals usage within the plants so that it prevents early exhaustion of minerals and thus preserves the soil fertility. It enhances the nutritional value of food. For example, the golden rice, vitamin A enriched rice. Genetically modified plants produces certain products which are nutritionally efficient. GM is used to create, or genetic modification is used to create tailor-made plants to supply alternative resources like starch, fuels, pharmaceuticals to industries. Thus, tailor-made plants have been created by GM or biotechnology, and these tailor-made crops, what do? They supply alternative resources like starches, fuels, pharmaceuticals to industries. So these are the different advantages of genetically modified plants.